Oh, we found something. What's this? Boss. Zarpus.
A label with the name Las Zarpas.
Tennessee level 1! Woo! Congratulations. So... we have to search the archives, which means we have to go back. And he should really, like, jog or something, but he doesn't. I've tried, and it's kind of obnoxious. Go faster! It's whatevs.
These traces were made by carriage. Look.
Oh yeah, there's the horse.
The vehicle pressed this stone into the ground. It would have been quite heavy.
By measuring?
Nothing interesting here. Nothing interesting here. Nothing interesting here. Nothing interesting here.
Oh, nothing?
Nothing interesting here.
Sorry, this is silly, but it's kind of...
Nothing interesting.
Alright, I give up.
The vehicle would have been heavy, as these tracks are quite deep.
I know, I tried to measure the tracks, but you wouldn't let me.
These traces are relatively fresh and were made by a large truck loaded with materials.
Alright, so we're done inspecting the beach. That's one task off the list, thank goodness. And we're gonna go search for this label.
My search should be focused upon the name Las Zarpas.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Jet. I didn't have the patience for that today. Okay, Bloody Sunday, that sounds interesting. See Las Zapas. That
My
one?
search should be
Nope,
focused
okay.
upon the name Las Zarpas.
Okay. Do I really have to go through, like, all of these?
My search
Oh,
should be
okay.
focused upon the name Las Zarpas.
Oh, right there. Duh. Barges are leaders in heavy goods transportation. Ah. Label belongs to the
Here it
services
is.
and mining. Huh. So then they would have the equipment to move something giant like that. Good to know. And now that we have clues, we're going to make our deduction. So, deductions. Mexicans had recently utilized barges at the lake, probably to transport something very heavy. Probably to transport the... oh, it's not here anymore. Probably to transport the thing that was stolen. Just saying. So, what's left? Alright, so we need to go to the map. And we definitely need to go down here and check this out. There we go. So we have to check. Said we're the examine Doncaster. Examine side railway branch at. So what's the side railway? Looked at that down there. This way maybe? This guy haven't. Hi.
The entire train has disappeared.
Okay, you don't have any clues. You're just flipping out that it happened. Hey. Remains of a
There
building.
was a building here not so long ago.
But I don't understand, Holmes. Why would anyone destroy the shed in such a manner?
No
It was
idea.
disassembled in great haste. It is most odd.
Maybe they used that stuff to build. This is getting fishy. We still have no idea. Like, we kind of understand what happened, but we have no idea, like, who did it. We just kind of know that it happened.
Traces. Let's take a closer look.
Oh no, traces!
Nothing interesting here.
This way,
The distance
right?
between the tracks is
Yeah!
about 6 feet, 7 inches.
Figured it out.
The vehicle would have been heavy, as these tracks are quite deep. These traces are relatively fresh and were made by a large truck loaded with materials. The traces found at the disassembled shed near Evesham and at the lake were from the same vehicle.
Dun, dun, dun. So now I bet you have to go talk to that guy because they building. At least I assume that's what we're doing. I don't know. It kind of gives you little hints. When I highlighted it in my book, it said dialogue, which means I have to talk to somebody about it. At least they try to give you some clues. That's nice. Faster.
It appears that there was a small warehouse near your station and that it was disassembled. Why is that?
It was burgled overnight about 2 weeks ago. The police have already started their investigation, but I doubt that they'll find anything.
What was inside the warehouse?
Nothing of value. A few 100 feet of standby rails and some spare railway parts. But it wouldn't be easy to steal all of that. Why would anyone want to?
So they could steal a
See you later,
train.
my good man.
Would be good. Just saying. Alright, so we completed that. Now we need to... Oops. Doncaster again? I guess we have to do the side rails at Doncaster. Just when you think you got it figured out, it's wrong. Alright, so let's try to find and see if they built onto these side rails here. I didn't check this area last time. Nope, nothing here. Just checking. Never know. Ah, I know, I keep wanting to... Here! Nothing! Wonder where the side rail is here. Up. Not that way. Maybe we should go this way. It's like no warning, just blip! Put you somewhere else, it's fine. Don't even worry about it, it's cool. Later, we'll finally get there. Ooh, there it is. There it is. I see it. I see it.
This railway branch should lead to the quarry. Let us take a look.
Alrighty.
The rail is rusted and looks old, but the railway is still usable.
This really is kind of a pretty game, you know? Oh.
The
Oh.
railway ends here. That is
There are
strange.
marks? Like there was a railway there? Just saying, it looks like there was. Something's not right. Something's very wrong. Hi, Tristan. How are you?
The switch is rusted, but it still works.
Oh, okay. Alright, so now we have more clues. Now we get to link them together. So... I think the stolen rail track was used to fix that railway to the quarry, is what I'm thinking. I'm doing well, thank you. Up. Okay. Okay, so basically what just happened was when I said that, I mean, it's the only option. When I said that somebody stole the rails to temporary cover it so that they could get through this particular station, this area turned red because it contradicted what I had said in this one. So it just showed you that your what you were thinking was off. Hey, James. So I had to go and fix it. So now we need to go to this. Examine the side railway branch. Switch? Up. Up. Welcome back, Tristan. Did I do that? Oh. So... I'm at Doncaster. So I guess I need to check out some stuff.